How to fix Expedia seat selection not working. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we'll discuss on how to fix the issue of Expedia seat selection not working. So let's get started. First of all, you have to review your itinerary. Carefully check your itinerary to identify any issues regarding seat selection. To do this, you can open your Expedia application, log into your account, and then go to My Trips section from the bottom of the screen, which is between the search and inbox option. Tap on it. Here you can manage your upcoming trips and itinerary. You can also find your booking by using your itinerary number. And next thing you can do is reach out to the Expedia's booking agent for assistance in resolving the seat selection issues. And when discussing any changes or resolution with Expedia, make sure to get a written confirmation of all the agreements or modifications made to your booking. If the problems still persist, contact the airline directly. Inform them about the seat selection issue and request their assistance in resolving it. You can also check the ticketing status. Ensure that your ticket has been processed correctly and that you have an e-ticket. If you don't, you can contact the Expedia to rectify this issue. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.